Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to enable or disable password autofill on your Galaxy S26 Ultra. Simply just open your settings, scroll down and showing it to general management. Open this, scroll down and you get password passscan autofill. Open this, press on, need to set up, press on continue. Okay, now successfully set up this. Or if you want to turn off this option, open again, settings, select to no option. That's mean turn off. If you turn on again, select. That's it.